Peace and blessings, everyone. I just came up with an idea. I just did what I thought was going to be part of a vlog. I thought I was going to come back and add some more stuff to it, but I decided that it was perfect just the way it is. And I'm thinking about calling it my nighttime tea, but I don't want people to think of, because when people think of tea, they think of negativity. You know, when people talk about tea on social media, it's about somebody's dirt. But that's not what this is going to be about. This is grown folks' business. This is 50 and older business. So we don't have time for the nonsense. It's how to get through certain things, you know. How do we do things? So I think that I'm going to go ahead and do, I don't know, a daily 10-minute little conversation and reflect on my day. Comment down below and let me know what you think about it. Matter of fact, comment down below after you watch my first, what did I say I was going to call it? My nighttime tea. Sipping tea at night. I don't know. Comment down below if you have a title that I should call it. Because I'm going to give it a temporary title. But if somebody comes up with a good title, then I would definitely acknowledge you and all your social media platforms or whatever you want to have acknowledged. Not a problem. Yeah, but send me some. I want to do this. This is something that probably is going to be therapeutic for me, as well as it can help somebody else out. And no, I was just joking about the 50 and older. I'm just saying, have a mature mind, because I'm not about like all the negativity type stuff, you know. Some people like to hear dirt and trash on other people and stuff like that. I don't get off on that. I like to see people doing well, feeling well, being well. That's it. I didn't even get off into that really like when I was younger. I just didn't have the time, you know? So yeah, you all will see the first one next. All right? Let me know how you like it. Leave me a comment. I'm gonna merge these things together. Working on these editing skills. And yeah, I think, I don't know, I'm just gonna call it right now my nighttime tea. But if y'all come up with something different, or if you think I should, I mean, I'm not gonna change what it is that I want to do, because I already know what it is, you know. And I was just, God, just led to it. Just had no idea that I was gonna do this today. But it's cool though. So I'm gonna talk about different things, and then hopefully by the end of the video, you will have gotten something from it. Not to be all profound and everything, or be deep or whatever. I'm just being real, 100%. That's all I can be. Now, I ain't that incense burning sister that talk deep all the time and got everything together. That ain't me. I do burn my incense. Yes, and I will go deep every blue moon. Every blue moon, when it's appropriate, or when I feel it. But for the most part, I just keep it regular. Just basic. Simple and free. Okay, stay tuned for your nighttime tea. Peace and love, y'all. Peace and blessings, you all. Peace and blessings. Ooh, it's been a day. I'm coming at you all before I take my contacts out. That doesn't mean it's going to be the end of the vlog, but I am going to start it back up tomorrow. I just had something I wanted to say. Man, I'm proud of myself. I had a stressful situation, and I handled it pretty well. I didn't freak out, didn't have an anxiety attack or anything. I just said it is what it is, and it'll get fixed. Just got a brand new battery in my car less than 6 months ago. True, I hadn't driven it in the past 3 days. I think it was the 4th. No, I drove it on the 5th. Today's the 7th. Okay, so the last time I drove it was the 5th in the AM. And today, well, last night it got down to, what, 3 below zero? And my battery is totally dead, meaning I stuck my key in the ignition and it turned, and now the key is stuck and nothing cuts on. I can't pop the trunk, can't do anything. My battery's in the trunk of my car. But you could jump it from the front. My nephew, he's supposed to be on his way over here. Come on, Key, save the day. Well, it did save me from spending some money unnecessarily, because I always like to treat myself all the time for anything. Something bad happens, treat yourself. Something good happens, treat yourself. Nothing happens, treat yourself. I truly believe in just treating myself and my daughter and my dog and who knows, but I just noticed that going on 51 actually. Wow. 50 came and left so fast almost. But then it's not gone yet. Funny thing is, I talked to my dad today. I'll be 51 in June. But I was talking to my dad today and we were tripping out. And I said, Dad, what were you doing at my age? He was like, what age? I said, like 51. He was like, well, I'm 57. I was like, well, you was doing a dang old thing then at 6 to be 57, and I'm 51. You was doing it. I said, you did that and made all of this. All of this. He's a hot mess. Ooh. What would I do without him? I mean, you all know, whoever's not new to my channel know that I lost my papa, which I call him Papa because he had been in my life since I was 13. And my birth dad is still alive, but I lost my papa like 3 years ago. So, and I call him Papa because that's what he had my daughter to call him. So I started calling him Papa, even though I knew him since I was 13. And he always had like different names for us. Like, my name was Lady. My sister's name was Chocolate, one of my sisters. And I forgot what the twins, I forgot what Eric's name was. But anyway, I don't know, just reminiscing, thinking about old times, new beginnings. I need somebody that can fix some things. I'm so tired of having to fix everything myself. I need somebody to fix this. put my little unit back up there. I need somebody who can fix cars. Fix a situation. I'm so tired of being in control 100%. I want to release some of this, what would you call it? Responsibility. Just a little bit. I ain't even asking for a whole lot, just a little bit. I don't really let people in my world, not for real. I mean, like, 100% in person type deal, but I think I'm ready to let go of some of this power and responsibility, because I have been doing everything on my own for so many years. I had my first job at 10, babysitting 2 girls. Before then, I was teaching my twins, my twin brother and sister. I was teaching them school. I was teaching them everything I could, anything I could make up. That's back when the carbon paper days, when you have printers and stuff like that. It was like the copier machine, or if you don't have a copier machine, you had carbon paper. So I had carbon paper, so I could make a copy for them, an answer key. Baby, they both quit on me though. It was like, we ain't about to do this. They hung in there for a while though. I have to give it to them. They hung in there for a while. I guess I'm just going back over everything that's gone on in my life, and I'm reflecting, because every day is not going to be perfect, but that doesn't mean that I got to freak out about it or allow my emotions to control my mouth. We have to be careful of the things that we say to people, These are tense times. It really is. People are not used to some of these things that are going on. I don't have it all together. You know, just because you see me on camera and I'm smiling, or you see me take some pictures and I'm smiling and everything, that doesn't mean that everything is all right. Of course, I'm not going to come on and do a video and everything is just like terrible. Who wants to see bad news? I'm not going to take pictures and be frowning and stuff. Who wants to see an ugly, frowning face? But don't think that I have it all together all the time. I don't. I really don't. I'm human too. Words hurt. You can't take them back. You could delete it, all that. But it's already etched in somebody else's brain. So be careful of the words that you say to people, the things that you say to people. And it's okay if you have to take a break from people for a while to take care of your own mental health, your own mental stability. That's something I think that a lot of people don't do. Take time out for yourself. Light some candles. Get in a tub. Make sure you have all your little body sprays and stuff that makes you feel good. Do something for you. And quit being mad at the world. Because I didn't do it. Or he didn't do it. Or she didn't do it. We didn't do it. So what are we mad at each other for? I don't have the time to sit back and deal with anybody's anger being lashed out on me. If you want to see somebody disappear, it'll happen quickly. It really will. Because I don't deal with that. I can't process that. A stranger might be able to get away with it. But somebody that I'm close to, that knows me, sometimes you just got to take a break. And it's okay. So with that being said, I thought I was going to do a vlog. I thought I was going to go ahead and vlog like tonight and then start over tomorrow and probably have my nephew who's on his way over here to get on my vlog. I probably still will add him in, but I think I'm going to end it right here. Just on a note of choose your words wisely. Say it over before you send it to someone or before you say it to someone. And just remember, everybody is human and everybody is going through something. It doesn't mean that they're not trying to be there for you or you or you or you. But did you ever stop to think that maybe they're going through something before you say what you had to say? Challenge yourself. Listen to what you're saying before you say it. Write it down. See what it looked like. How would you respond to that? Sometimes you might not get any response at all. But if you go back and check and look at what you wrote or what you said or think about what you said, did it really warrant a phone call or a reply? Would you have been happy if you got a negative response? Would that have been better? Dang, I don't even know how this came. Well, this is not what I want to talk about, but it's okay though. It's okay. Peace and love, you all.